Hi, it's Paul Motley here, and today we're going to have a look at what is ClickFunnels and what can it do for you and your business today. Okay, so we are on the main ClickFunnels page now, so we're just going to go into a couple of details about what it is and why you need it. And I think this is going to be one of those days where you wish you'd seen this before, and it's going to be awesome, fantastic. So let's dive straight in. So which of these best describes your business service? ClickFunnels is great if you're an agency, if you sell information products, if you do e-commerce, coaching, consulting, network marketing. Small local business like ourselves, we've used this to great effect, so I think it's well worth listening on. If you're business to business, blogging, non-profits, or if you're just getting started and you don't really know what to do or how to do it, then this is still for you. So let's dive in a little bit further. So ClickFunnels was actually put together by a guy called Russell Brunson, and this is the same guy that started out in college selling spud guns online. And what is your goal? You're just going to have to see whether you want to generate run a webinar, send emails and collect and build a list, or if you want to sell products. So I'm just going to go into and show you exactly the sort of funnels that you can actually do. And don't be afraid of that word funnels, all will become very clear in the next picture. So these are the sort of things that you can actually put together. So funnels is basically a step-by-step thing to get a person from A to B, and whether that be your goal, whether or not to get them to register for a webinar, buy a product, download an ebook, or book a service call, or get a job with a local business or anything like that. So you can decide all these different funnels that you can start with, whether it be a product launch funnel, homepage, so you can actually build websites within this as well, super point. Again, with the live demos, storefront, daily deals, hero funnels, cancellation funnels, which is great if you want to try and get people back into your sales process. Tripwires. Now tripwires is something where you will collect a little bit of information of someone in order to give them something free, and then you can then sell them something small, and then you can upsell them onto a larger product. So there is a whole ton of things like that. So what does it actually look like when you're inside? Well, let's take a look at it. These are all what we call the funnel steps. So initially, in this example here, what we're doing is we're actually using someone who's an online personal trainer, and he wants to sell monthly coaching. So, and that's all online. So we've got basically here, we've got memberships. We can sell the membership plans, buy now, thank you pages, and again, it can all go into a email list, so we can repeat buy and all that sort of thing. So how does it actually work? Well, this is really simple, because this is all drag and drop. So I can add in little bits of extra stuff, whether it be an image, video, pop-up video, an audio player, buttons, or even change the bits and pieces. You can even add billing and shipping, so you can actually add a cart to this, so you can actually sell your products and services online using it as well. And you can even add some really cool stuff like social share, so you can share it on Facebook. And I want to show you just how easy this is to actually maneuver around as well. So if I want to change the color of that button, for example, I'm just going to go over here, select a different color, boom, there you go. It's a different color already. So that's fantastic. Now, if I wanted to set up, let's say I was happy with that, but I wasn't sure and I wanted to split test, we're going to go back over to the fitness one now. I can start a split test, and then whenever anybody goes into the first web address, which we call a URL, in this case it's this one, we can then say, okay, well, I want to start brand new, or I want to duplicate that page and create a split test for it. And then we can then basically send half the traffic or any amount of traffic that we want to the variation. And if that's performing better, so we're getting higher opt-in rates, we can declare as a winner, and then we can constantly try and improve our opt-in rates as we go. So in this example, we've got a red button there, maybe we'll try a blue one, and then we'll see if that converts better. So it's all pretty cool and all very exciting about how you can actually use ClickFunnels. And I want to recommend that you get yourself a free trial right now using the link below this video, and we'll see you really soon.